Hey guys, this is Dave Michaels here in the Dave Cave, chilling out with Bigfoot and my solid gold stapler. I want to tell you, oh hey, look, there's the program log. You want to see what commercials are going to be playing today? There you go, look at that, a 410, it's a coastal cleanup, 317G. By the way, if you listen to the coastal cleanup, you hear it voiced by a female. That's me, actually, with AI tuning it in. So in the second break there at 4:35, you got the Jefferson Lincoln dinner. La Voz Conservadora on KOMY, make Comey great again, and so on and so forth. So those are the commercial breaks. This is what I load into the computer and what you guys will be hearing later on today. So what I want to show you guys, though, is this new Tangy Tangerine 3.0 Rise and Restore. Everybody has been asking me about this. The first thing you notice is that it comes with this fantastic, high quality, extremely high quality paper, plastic that we'll just throw in the trash. Okay, and then this right here is the gift box that it comes with. I don't know how long they're going to be giving away this gift box, but it's very durable, very well constructed. When you open it up, you get the whole story about the 3.0, as well as more information, little advertising page there. And here's the money of the product. Here's the money of the whole situation. You got your 3.0 Rise and Restore. Two different formulas, one common objective, and that is to keep you nutriated with the 90 essential nutrients and other benefits that come along with this. Now, the problem with the old Tangy Tangerine, if there was a problem, was that it would give you energy maybe you didn't want. So in the morning, it was fantastic. You can't beat waking up with Tangy Tangerine. But you might not want to take it at night because it would give you too much energy and might keep you up longer than you would like. So Youngevity has solved this problem. Two different formulas, the 3.0 Rise and Restore. This is the morning formula. It's called Rise. This has natural caffeine as well as a metabolism booster. It's got a mood wellness blend that helps you get in a better mood, I guess you could say. It's also got a bunch of antioxidants in it. So this is the 3.0 Rise to give you better brain function, a little more energy, and your phytonutrients. The 3.0 Restore is raspberry lemon flavor, and this is meant to help with circulation. It can help you relax. It helps with liver detox. It's got a hormonal blend as well. It's got digestive aids, probiotics and prebiotics, all that good stuff. So this is the 3.0 Restore. These are both part of the same system. There's your little shaker bottle. This product right here is available at davemichaels.com. You can get it there, or you can call me at 831-218-5726. The 3.0 Rise and Restore. There it is, you guys. I have them in the Dave Cave, and who knows how long they will be here, but I have about 6 or 7 of them. So if you want to get a hold of one, be sure to hit me up. Some of the differences between these and the Tangy Tangerine is that this is focused on time duration. So this is meant to kind of distribute the vitamins throughout your body throughout the day, rather than just taking them once. So this is, the whole focus is time duration nutrition. Okay, it's meant to support cognitive performance and mood wellness. Again, you're going to feel better. You're going to think a little more clear. It's got a bunch of electrolytes, adaptogens, phytonutrients, antioxidants, probiotics, prebiotics. It's got all that stuff in one system. Morning formula is acai pomegranate flavor, and this is the Restore formula. This is when you take in the afternoon, and that's raspberry lemon flavor. Okay, so there you go. I hope that helps. And again, if you want to order yours, log on to davemichaels.com or call 831-218-5726. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.